Girl, look at the dust in there. Can you see it? Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's gross. I'm gonna vacuum it. Hi friends, welcome to another episode of This Whole House Declutter and Clean with me. Honestly, I don't know what episode this is, like 4 or 5. We're just on a roll, baby. So I decided to do the hallway today. As you guys know, I did my master bathroom, I did my master bedroom, I did my kids' room, their closet, the kitchen, and the living room. And now I'm doing this little hallway. This honestly is the busiest part of our whole house, is this hallway right here. Because we don't have a coat closet in this house, this is almost like it's our coat closet. You know, our shoes are here. We got to hang up our coats right as soon as we come in from the garage. And we don't walk around the house with our shoes on, so we immediately take our shoes off. So I needed a designated area for my kids' shoes, a designated area for my shoes, and for my husband's shoes. I did move a lot of our shoes upstairs, just the ones that we use constantly. I kept down here, and I was able to donate a lot of the girls' shoes, which is great. So this is what I'm doing in this video. I'm going to clean this area, mop, dust mop, all that stuff. I'm pulling the furniture out away from the wall to really get the baseboards and everything. So if you need some motivation, make sure to give this video a thumbs up to keep me going. I have several areas left in the house, but I am just feeling so good to get this accomplished and done. So right now I'm pulling all of the shoes out of the caddy. We use this to hold my girls' shoes. Yes, they do have a lot of shoes. I'm getting ready to put the summer shoes away, and then I'm gonna unfortunately have to throw some of the shoes away because they're in pretty bad shape. And then I'm going to also donate some of them as well. So here I'm just pulling them all out, and I'm gonna get ready to wipe the interior of this caddy down because it's pretty dusty and dirty. Just so you could see how dirty this is. About to wipe it down. Wow, look at that. This is as clean as it's gonna get today. Now that this is clean, I gotta make a decision on these shoes. It's hard because we don't have a coat closet. Many of you guys recognize that in my kitchen cleaned with me and declutter with me and said you need a mudroom in the garage, which is an awesome idea, and I really do want to do that eventually one day. But today we just got to make this work for right now. So let me go ahead, choose the shoes, and then the rest of the shoes, I don't know what to do. I'm either going to donate, like these are their little skating sneakers. These can go in the garage. They don't use these in the house at all, and they can go in the garage because that's the only time that they would use these is, you know, when we're getting ready to go outside or whatever. And you know, you just check them for spiders. You know, we do have spiders in our garage, but you know, it should be fine. So those can go outside. And then I think I'll pick these. I might actually sell. Ava does not like these. She does not want to wear these. These are from Zara's last year. She cannot fit these anymore. Let's see, what size are they? A size 4, barely used. So That's something I can sell. But she does like these Uggs, and she wears these to school sometimes. So, all right, let me go ahead and pick. Look at the dust in there. Can you see it? Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's gross. I'm gonna vacuum it. All right, y'all. So I decided to pull this out because why not? Oh my gosh, look at that dust. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the baseboards and attempt to vacuum this vent. Does it come off? Oh, it does come off. All right, wish me luck. Now, y'all, I do not know what I'm doing, but we're just gonna go with it here. I plugged in my big vacuum. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm gonna do a video on maybe trying to clean out all of this. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh gosh, that's so much dust in there. I'm just gonna vacuum it a little bit. Let's see. Can you guys see this? You see all the dust that's in there? I wonder how you clean these things. I'll have to do a separate video on how I'm gonna have to clean this. I'll have to look it up because there has to be an easier way than me having to put the thing in each. I don't know. It's like so dirty, but I can't. I don't have time to sit here and do this the whole time. We're just gonna wipe it down and put it back. Before I mop the floors, I want to make sure that I'm dusting this, I guess it's a Credenza, off really, really well. And the lamps and everything that's on there. Some of the stuff I'm going to take off and just put some of our Christmas decor up. I didn't put it up because I wanted to make sure that I cleaned it off and dusted it first. So I'm going to dust this really well, and then I'll do the floors. Now I'm going to do the floors by hand behind the Credenza. I'm not going to use my O-Cedar mop back there, my big wet O-Cedar mop. On this walkway, I'm going to use my dry mop, and I'll show you what I'm going to use for that. This is pretty dusty here. Let's clean that up. This is what I'm using on my floors. I love this stuff. It smells so good. So now, guys, I had to get my big vacuum out so that I can vacuum the part of the carpet that's right there behind the couch. So I vacuumed that, and I vacuumed all behind the couch. And since I already had my big vacuum out, I just decided to vacuum my hardwoods with it too, because I can use it on my hardwoods. It's just a pain in the butt. It's just easier with my little cordless vac to vacuum the hardwood floors. But anyway, I wanted to make sure I got all the dust up from the hardwood floors. And since I already moved like the baskets and stuff and mopped underneath there, I just moved them back because what I'm using to mop the floors with dries really, really quick. So I'm just using this here to mop the floors up and it'll be done. This was pretty easy. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Plus we donated a bunch of shoes. So I'm excited about that. Just getting stuff out of my home. Here's the donate bag for this week. Lots of shoes, so that's good. Okay, y'all, here we have it. Nice and clean. I'm really happy. This didn't take too long. Caddy looks great. Actually got rid of more shoes after the girls got home to decide. Ava, really, to decide what she wanted. But the girls can easily put their shoes up. It's when this gets overcrowded is when the shoes just start falling everywhere. So the goal is to keep this not overcrowded. But yeah, this is where we're at. So I'm really happy. This was pretty easy in comparison to other weeks, but listen, we're taking it step by step. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Honestly, I know a lot of you guys are doing this along with me. What have you gotten done in your house? I know it can be motivating to some of you, and to some of you, you're just like, why don't you just do this regularly? Well, it's not that easy for us who hate to do it. But I'm just happy that I'm on a roll and I'm feeling really, really good. Next up is my foyer. I will be doing that next in the dining room, the foyer in the dining room. So that's going to be a tedious task, but I'm just ready to hop on it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.